What's up, guys? I'm going to try and make this quick. Nobody wants to hear me blab. So this entire video is going to be just driving around on open header. There's no exhaust, but everybody always wants to hear what it sounds like. The video's doing no justice. The car is loud. It's a ton of fun, but with now being winter here in Michigan, the car's in storage. So I'm going to try and do a video maybe every 3 weeks or so. The next one should be pretty cool. I can't really find much information on what I want to do on the forums, so kind of be learning as we go. The last video was pulling weight out of the car. The next video should be pulling a little bit of weight out of the car too, but a little bit different this time. So make sure you guys like and subscribe for more.